Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner.
Okay, I don't know how much you can see, but I'll put the stator back on. The wires here in this boot have to fit up in there. Keeps moisture out. Two long screws. There we go. Gotta make sure it seats back in there good. Got a little nest area back there where it seats right in there and fits. Okay, now I'm going to put the flywheel on. Whoops. Or the rotor. You got to line up the keyway. Make sure your key is in there. Line it up now. You get to see me put the washer in. I had to take this all apart because that washer was laying down here, and I had it all together, and I noticed the washer laying there. So you get to see me do it the right way and put the washer in. And I think this is about 53 foot-pounds of torque. I'll use my oil filter wrench to hold that flywheel. And we'll try to figure out if we can get about 53 pounds. Right about there. That felt like about 53.5 pounds. Okay. Then, put the cover on. Make sure your gasket is clean. And it wouldn't hurt to put a little oil around there. I'll just snug these up for right now, because I just want to see if I can get a spark. This wire is supposed to clip in there, but right now I'm just going to go ahead and connect these wires, and they're all color coded, so red and white to red and white, yellow and red, and yellow and red, and then black and red, I believe it is. And this one here is the ground. There we go. Now, check and see if we got a spark before I tie that up. Plug in my spark checker, and it's got the light that should come on if we get a spark, so plug it in on the spark plug, plug it in up here, and I'm just going to turn that flywheel by hand. First I'll shut off the light. There's a flash, another flash, so it's sending spark to the plug now.